Understanding fractions. Subtraction. Any fraction in which the numerator and denominator are the same is equal to 1. For example, 2 over 2 is equal to 1, 3 over 3 is equal to 1, 5 over 5 is equal to 1, and 7 over 7 is equal to 1. Why? Let's take the example of 2 over 2. If you divide 2 by 2, you'll get 1. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction combines a whole number and a proper fraction. What is a whole number? A whole number is a number that is neither a decimal fraction nor a fraction. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a regular number. Subtraction of mixed fractions. Our first example is a whole number and a proper fraction. So what do? Consider the denominator of the proper fraction. Our denominator is 4, which means 1 is equal to a fraction out of 4. In this case, 4 over 4. So we substitute 1 with 4 over 4. And we write our question as 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 4. Our second example is a whole number and a proper fraction. In this case, again, consider the denominator, which is 4. Now, 2 is the same as 1 plus 1. So we will substitute one of the ones with a fraction, in this case, 4 over 4. So our question will read 1 plus 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4. And what will our answer be? 1 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 1 and 1 over 4, or 1 and a quarter. Our next example is a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. In this case, we have a proper fraction that can easily take away the other proper fraction, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So there's no need to change our 1 into a proper fraction or into a fraction. So we write our question as 1 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Our answer will be 1 over 3 when we take away a third from 2/3, or 1 over 3 from 2 over 3. So we write 1 plus 1 over 3. This 1 over 3, we bring it here, 1 plus 1 over 3, and our answer is 1 and 1 over 3. our last example is 2 2/3 minus 1 1/3, or 2 mixed fractions. So first of all, we separate the whole numbers 2 and 1 from the fractions. We take away 2 minus 1 and we get 1. We keep 1 aside and remember that we have it as we go on to work out our fractions. 2/3 minus 1/3, we get 1/3. So then we bring this 1 to 1/3 by adding them. We have 1 plus 1/3, and our answer is 1 1/3, or 1 1/3.